G'day everyone. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink in your Eden Erasable pens. So the first step is to hold the pen like so with the logo towards you so that you can read it upright. Then just twist the end of the pen where the tip comes out away from you. Now keep the pen horizontal so all the little inside bits don't fall out. It just makes your life easier. Pop your old ink away, grab the new one, remove the little plastic nib on the end of it and discard. Then pop your new ink into the tube and screw the tip back on towards you. And you are good to rock and roll. Now, I'm going to show you what happens if you disregard the note about keeping the pen horizontal and all of your bits fall out, because I fear this may occur for many of you. So these are the little bits that are going to pop out. It's two little white pieces. Now you put the little one inside the big one, and then the small end goes back into the tube first. It's kind of counterintuitive, but there you go. And then you just pop your ink back in. There's also a little spring that's in the tip of the cap there. If that falls out, you can just pop it on the end of your ink there and screw the tip back on. Good luck. Have fun. Message me if you need any help.